trees to start talking to me.
Exactly. I was literally...
Hey you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're at the Redwoods in California. If you're new to the channel, this is April,
Hey.
And I'm Wayne. We do a video every Thursday. Please hit that subscribe button and smash that bell. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
It's like Lady Bird Johnson Grove Trail.
Look at this tree right out the gate. Big old giant redwood in the parking lot.
So Lady Bird Johnson came to this site on November 25th, 1968 to help dedicate Redwood National Park. She returned on August 27th, 1969 to be honored by President Nixon with this grove of trees named in her honor, recognizing her devoted service to the cause of preserving and enhancing America's natural beauty for the enjoyment of all people. Hence, Lady Bird Johnson Grove. Pro tip for you: when you come to the Redwoods National and State Parks, you're going to want to make sure that your valuables are secured, ideally not in your vehicle if possible. I've read in a couple of different places online that I guess break-ins are a
Pretty
thing
prevalent.
here. One particular trail more than others. I can't remember if it was the Tall Tree Trail, which, speaking of the Tall Tree Trail, another pro tip for you: you need to get a permit for that right now, and it has to be in your possession at least 48 hours before 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for when you're going to start the hike.
Yeah, we wanted to do that one, but we changed the schedule because April hurt herself. So unfortunately, we're not going to get to do it this time.
Ta-da! One thing I learned in our planning for our trip here to the Redwoods National and State Parks is that this Klamath River, basically they use it as a split for the north section and the south section. And given the fact that they are doing some major road construction, it's up here near the Mill Creek campground, it is closed at times of the day and it is only one way at other times of the day. So major delays, and I knew that because I had the wherewithal to check the nps.gov site for updates and alerts. Make sure you do that.
That thing's huge. Every time I see the redwoods, I'm just amazed of how amazing they truly are. What is this thing like? It's gotta be like 30 foot around. It's huge.
Yeah,
You look tiny.
massive.
You look tiny in there.
I'm a little ant, I'm a little April ant. When you're coming to the Redwoods National and State Parks, you're going to want to bring layers. That coastal fog, it gets chilly, but probably by the end of today I'll shed this hoodie. So one thing to remember is that even though it might seem overcast and foggy, sun rays are still coming through, so you definitely need to put sunscreen on.
We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.